Assalamu alaikum. My name is MT Tariqul Islam, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University. My project name is Student Attendance Management System, supervised by Abu Bakr Muhammad Abdullah Sir, Lecturer, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University. Here is the presentation outline: introduction, motivation, development tools, related works, limitation, diagram, implementation, conclusion and future direction. Introduction. A student attendance management system deals with the maintenance of the student's attendance detail. It generates the attendance of the student on basis of presence in class. It is maintained on the daily basis of their attendance. The staff will provide it with the separate username and password to make the student's status. The staffs handling the particular subjects responsible to make the attendance for all students. Only if the students present on their particular period, the attendance will be calculated. The student's attendance report based on weekly and consolidated will be generated. When we enter into website, we can see the login page and then we will get our service. Motivation. Taking attendance record for each student is to be calculated if necessary, but this application will give calculated report for each student. Universally of mobile phones motivates to make better use of this technology to overcome existing problems occurring in maintenance of students' information. Development tools. To build my website, I use HTML and CSS language and PHP language, MySQL, JavaScript and XAMPP. XAMPP is the local server in my computer. Related works. The hospital management system and employee management system are similarly related work of a student attendance management system. Those projects are literally same project each other. Limitation. Due to the size of the system, many tables had to be created to accommodate all the data required in the management system. Also, implementing security feature on this system was among a challenge to make sure that people will not be able to access information without authorization from system administrator, and to ensure users are using unique password and using a strong password. Diagram. Here is the system flow diagram. In my project, the system flow diagram are running like this. Here we can see a start and login page, and there are two user, admin and staff. Admin has three portion: master, attendance report has three part: daily entry, weekly and consolidate. Admin can access all the data in this project, and staff will also access all the data in this project by permission of admin. Admin can view, update and report all the data for student entry and staff entry. And for the timetable entry, we have used the calendar function in this project, and admin and staff also can report and the report will save in the database. When all this work are done, then the database will stop the work. Now we can see the data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, we can see that user can access attendance management system, and into the attendance management system data will go in database, and then the data return in the attendance management system, and then the data will go into report, and we can also print and edit the report. Then we can see that a person, when entry into the login page and enter some data, then the data will go authentication, and the authentication data will go admin access and staff access, and authentication data also go check user in database, and the user database data will go back into authentication. Next we can see that use case diagram. In this project we have two user, staffs and admin, and staffs and admin access student details, subject details, timetable details, attendance details and attendance reports. And this is the student attendance management system use case diagram. Here is the implementation step by step. This is the login page. Here we enter the username and password, and then we login into this website and this page. Next we have admin page, and this is the dashboard of the admin page. Next we have course page. Here we can enter the course title and the description of the course, and then we save the data. This data will save into the database. We also can search any course. If we type it previously we saved it, then we can search it in this search bar. Next we have subject page. This is similar like course page. Here we can enter the subject title and description and save the data. Next we have the class page. Here we enter some class. We previously entered some codes, and we can select those codes in here, and we can enter the new level and the section. In this level, here we see like example, the 3 is the level, and D, A, B is the section. We can also save this and search those classes. Next we have faculty page. Faculty page, we have some new faculty. We can enter new faculty and added new faculty like here we see John Snow, John Smith and faculty 1. This is the staff part of this project, and they also can access into login page. We can delete and edit the faculty. We also search the faculty. Next we have a student page. Here is the student name. We can save into the database. The course detail, the class detail, subject detail and the name and the details of the student we can save here. In this new student portion we can add many new students, and we can delete their data and edit them. Next we have class per subject. In class per subject we have new entity. Here we enter new entity, and here we enter the student course, class, subject and faculty. Then we can edit and delete them. Next we have check attendance. Here we can see that when we select the faculty, we see in previously we are add and save some faculty, student and the students of their faculty, and here we can select the faculty name and search them, and then we see that the faculty student's name will here, and the attendance system is present, absent and late. We can select them. If he is present, we can select present. If he is absent, we can select absent. If he is late, we can select late. And here is the date, time. Here is the time system. We can use the calendar system in this project. Next we have attendance record page. In attendance record page we have select the faculty and filter them, and when we filter them we will see that the course, subject, class and date of the student attendance system. Here we can see that the attendance system, and the project is this page will show us the current student status. We can edit this status, and we also can print this status. Next we have attendance report page. Now when we need our students monthly attendance report, we can get in this page the monthly report by printing the attendance report. Here the class per subject, we have to select the faculty and the month of the student is come into school or college. Then we will filter that, and we can see that here the course, subject, total days of class in this month, and how many classes he has present, he has late and absent. We can also print this. Next we have the database table. This is the database table of the GEM server, and this is the main table, and this is the main database table in this project. Conclusion and future direction. Though I am a beginner in web designing, I tried my best to build a better website. This website will help for a student attendance management system. This website is attendance management website. Basically, attendance management service contain this entire thing which is in this remains in this website. Communication and information services promote attendance development and provide important network and tools for the success of student attendance and regularity service. This service often contribute more participatory and integrated focus to project limitation strictly to technology demonstration, such in community-based and targeted communication activities. Future direction: more information of website, responsive, more dynamic logging option, efficient database. Thank you.